guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you guys my cleaning routine. I do this every Sunday, so it's like a self-care Sunday. A cleaning Sunday. I clean my bathroom, my room, I fold my laundry, just whatever I need to do for this week. I don't always do the same thing every week because, you know, there's different things, different days. I feel like doing different things. I just try to cut down things, but this week is my last week at home. And then I go back to campus. I go back to campus next week. This is probably my last cleaning here. I'm just trying to get everything like really cleaned up just for this week. My main focus is the bathroom, my room. Most of my stuff is back at college, so I don't really need to clean my room that much. But I did go to Target today and I want to show you guys what I got. We went to Sephora first and I got this Moroccan oil dry shampoo. And I know dry shampoos probably not for us. I saw Chloe Yasmin using it and it's actually really good for curly hair. I know everybody uses it when their hair is straight. Like, you know, everyone can use it, but I'm talking about curly hair. I bought this because she was using it and she was saying how, like, you know, third day or fourth day when you have curls, like when you leave your hair out, it starts becoming like very oily and it has like this stench. Like other people can't smell it, but you do because it's like right here. It's not a bad smell, but it's like that hair smell. It really bothers me. So I got this to see. I got the smaller version. I don't know if you can see, but it's dark tone. So that means like it won't show up as white. You know, I have dark hair, so I bought that one. It smells really good. That's why I bought it. It helps make your hair less greasy. Also helps prevents odor. Then we went to Target and then I needed a new leave-in conditioner. So I'm trying this new Miel Moisture leave-in conditioner. It smells so good. It has like that slight fresh smell. Yeah, it has like, it gives out the slight citrus smell to like a slight lemon smell. Then I got the Sensitive Skin Dove. I don't know why I really love this. It smells like tea to me, like tea that you drink. When I'm on that time of the month, I do have cramps and every little smell makes me nauseous. My cramps are not as bad anymore, but still. So I can use this anytime I want. But I also got this Alba Botanica Acne Dot and it's the, you know, the acne stickers, and it actually worked because I just needed this for today. I had like a slight acne right here. I also got this Tide, which I'm gonna use today for my laundry, Tide antibacterial fabric spray. So what you do is you spray it on your clothes before you fold it. It's basically to sanitize, but it also makes your clothes smell good. It smells like Tide. I use Tide detergent, so it goes perfectly well together. I know it has like a slight clean smell. That's what I like. I don't like the lavender Gain. I don't know what gives me that nauseous smell again. I just do not like stuff that's like too strong. Last thing I got from Target is I wanted a new notebook for the year and I got it. This is so cute. It was like $5 and I can journal on this. I usually journal on here like every morning when I get up. I want to like distinguish what year I wrote. You know, in 10 years when I'm 30, I'll be like, oh, this was for 2022. This was for 2021. This one was my sophomore year in college. All of this stuff in here, it was all like prayer requests or journal entries or anything. I love this one. It feels so soft too. That's all I got. That's the haul, guys. Now I'm gonna start with cleaning. I don't know what I'm gonna start with, but I'm just gonna take you guys with me and show you guys what I do. I'm gonna stop and talk a little bit, or if I have like a comment. I'm gonna do a little talk before I start. I'm really taking my time. I'm like stalling before I clean. Reality. So I try to not sanitize my underwear and socks and bra and everything because I feel like that's just not to be sanitized, and I don't know if there's gonna be any reaction because this is my first time using it. So I'm just gonna spray it on my clothes and my towel and everything like that. It smells good. I know I learned from TikTok, Cleaning Talk. I promise I learned almost everything from there. When you buy cleaning supplies, don't buy like daily shower cleaning, daily surface cleaning, because we're not cleaning our bathroom and stuff daily. So the best thing to do is to buy like mold and mildew. Those are really strong ones. So when you clean your bathroom once a week or once in 2 weeks, then it's actually gonna be clean, because this is meant for like deep cleaning, mold and mildew. So if it's like this, then that's like extra strong cleaning. So that's what I learned lately. So I bought this last week, and then I also bought this is the Comet foam cleaner. I actually accidentally bought this because my plan was to buy this, but this was accidentally in my cart and I forgot to take it out. So I got both, but both do the same thing. This just has a lemon citrus, and this one just smells like, you know, like kind of bleach, but just straight smells like bleachy clean. It has bleach in it, and as soon as I spray it in my bathtub, you know, like when you spray it, that streak, like when you wipe it, it turns white. So that's how you know this thing actually cleans. It's best, like the products on the bottom are mostly the best ones. It's the one that has like mold and mildew. All of those are like on the bottom of it. So I got this like at the bottom shelf at Walmart, like Target, wherever you buy your things. Try to look at the bottom, because those are the strongest cleaning supplies. Just a little tip for y'all. I just finished cleaning. It was a pretty light cleaning day today. This is actually light cleaning for me. I didn't have that much laundry. The bathroom was already half clean because it's only me and my older sister. My 2 younger sisters already left for school, so it's not that bad. So it's light clean. I love cleaning. It's really like my therapy, I promise. I know it's corny, but really, after I clean, I just feel so powerful. It really helps me. I'm just like focusing, have my music. Sometimes I listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, anything. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I did show all the cleaning supplies I use. I'm trying to stick to one major cleaning thing each week because I have like a bunch, and like sometimes I tend to use too much and then I feel lightheaded. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Come again.